Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is the 13th of August, Blessing Friday 2021, and let me share with you guys how I help my traders through live intraday analysis in the real time and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. If you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig straight to the three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD, you can see here in 4 hour, as mentioned in my yesterday analysis. If you haven't seen, video link is given in the video description. Yesterday we haven't seen any big moves, but my market was in correction phase. As you can see, based on the previous price action, we have this impulsive trade, which is we already taken it in my previous analysis. If you haven't seen that video, link is given in the video description. So today, if you look at here, the price basically developed a bullish flag pattern, and we had such a nice beautiful breakout this morning and still holding trader long, and we managed the first target at this level, bank beautiful pips. And let me share with you the intraday analysis, how I analyze this market. If you look at here, this is the analysis. As you can see here, sideways market and beautiful breakout, and as soon as the price hit to the green fib channel, and if you look at, let me open the pointer, as you can see here, and if you look at in the 4 hour chart, you can see here the price nicely hit at the 100 EMA and the bowling at the fib channel, blue fib channel. Price nicely hit the profit target. We had such a nice rally and bank beautiful pips. We also had a beautiful good trades on pound dollar. Let me share with you guys. And if you look at here, and if you look at the 4 hour chart, as mentioned, we had this downside channel pattern at this level. We were looking at the reversal, and let me explain to you guys. If you look at here right now, the price has also developed a double bottom. And if you look at the intraday at this level, I explained to my trader this was the yesterday low. So I explained to my trader, if the price gonna break, if we see any candle close below this level, then probably gonna be taking a short trade here, but more likely possibility of a reversal at this level because we were watching in 4 hours. So another way which basically I explained to my trader, if you look at the bottom, you can see this is low and this is high, and this is high and this is low. So this is clear diversion. That's also give us significant information that possibility of reversal. The best way to trade if the price is going to break the recent high. You can see here this one, and beautiful long trade. So let me share with you guys how I did this analysis. If you look at my analysis this morning, you can see here yesterday we were short, today at this morning, and you can see here just before London open, explained to my trader that look for this breakout, price nicely broken and nicely hit this level, around this level, and that's what I explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit. So you can see here price nicely hit to the resistance level, and we had amazing trade long. And I explained to my trader, once the market break, once you see in the 4 hour and this morning, this once this candle is developed, bullish engulfing candle in 4 hour, and that's what I'm explaining to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. So after that we have another beautiful pullback and bank beautiful pips on pound dollar. Okay, so dollar CAD, we haven't seen any big moves as you can see here, but if you look at in 4 hour, the price is keep respecting this resistance level. Right now, if you look at here, it's look like the price is developing a bearish engulfing candle. Let's see what sort of candle is going to develop, and if next week if we see the price break this bearish flag pattern, then possibility of short trade here. Otherwise, we are looking this triangle pattern breakout. As I said to you guys, we are intraday, and that's what we're going to look at. We'll let you know on Monday. Let me share with you the other analysis. We had such a beautiful short trade on dollar yen. Let me explain to you guys. And if you look at the 4 hour, and that's what we explained to trader, we have impulsive trade. Afterwards, you can see here price develop another consolidation, correction, and we have inside candle pattern. Beautiful breakout, most of the traders still holding, and the target would be this level. So let's see, as you can see here, this was the breakout, and let me share with you the intraday analysis. This is the analysis we did this morning at London, just before London open. We had a beautiful breakout, and now basically just closing my session, I explained to my trader it's time to bank some profit. So we had a beautiful trade. Another beautiful trade, we had it on pound Swiss franc and the dollar Swiss franc. Let me share with you the dollar Swiss franc. If you look at the 4-hour chart, and that's what we explained to trader, look, price nicely respected third time triple top, and we are looking this breakout. And you can see here we had such a beautiful breakout. Our target was this level, which is price nicely hit. And how I did analysis in intraday, if you look at the intraday, this was the analysis. Explain to trader that the price, if the price is going to respect the previous high, then possibility we're going to take a short trade here, because in 4-hour we can see the price also developed a triple top, and that was a beautiful short trade. Such a nice trade. You can see we had amazing pips today. Another beautiful trade is a pound Swiss franc, as you can see in my previous analysis from yesterday. If you haven't seen it, link is given in the video description. As explained yesterday, price developed sort of like a head and shoulder or triple top, and this was the beautiful breakout short trade from yesterday, and we keep holding. Today we have bearish engulfing candle, and we're taking a short trade. Target would be the 200 EMA. Let's see how that's gonna go, but the first target nicely hit. And if I show you the intraday analysis, if you look at here, okay, so let me explain to you or do analysis. This is the London morning analysis, guys. We already had the short trade yesterday analysis. Explain to trader that we're only going to look for pullback short trade here, or there was breakout. As you can see, price nicely broken as mentioned on the analysis. As soon as the first target hit, explain to trader it's time to bank some profit. And at the New York session, I explained to trader we already banked some profit. So I said to my trader, look for another pullback. If the price is going to break, just keep taking another short trade here. You can see here we have another beautiful short trade here, another target as the green fib channel around 127,000 level. That's what we explained to my trader is take this and bank some profit. As you can see here from yesterday, all these analysis from here to here, all the intraday analysis, you can see here, this is the breakout from yesterday. This is the pullback and breakout this morning, and this afternoon at the New York session again pullback. So that's what exactly we do every single day. As soon as the price progress and develop another pattern or momentum or sentiment, we broadcast that information instantly through the intraday analysis and through live audio commentary to make sure that trader can take maximum benefit. That's what exactly we do it. So I hope guys you enjoyed all this analysis. You can see here, consider banking some pips, consider banking some pips, most of them pairs. You can see here we had only few analysis, but most of them, you know, perfectly, you know, my traders have enjoyed all this pipping today. All right guys, so I hope you enjoyed this analysis. And again, as I said to you guys, the most interesting part of it is if you watch those analysis in real time alongside the live audio commentary support, alongside the price action 4-hour analysis. And the most interesting thing is developing your trading skill in real time with a live market. That's the best amazing thing. And once you develop your trading skill, and if you produce consistency results in this virtual platform, then I can help you to get funded from ProFarms. If you are interested how I help and teach my traders through live intraday analysis in real time through this platform, and how I help them get funded, feel free. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also available in the video description. Feel free to book. Myself or one of my team member will give you full information how you can get benefit through this platform. Or even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other professional traders. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and have a nice weekend, and stay blessed until next time. All the best.